Hello, I am Carlos Moya and this is the 9th video of PVED-CLS basic training. In this video we are going to trigger off two errors, see the error history, SPN lookup user manual, CAN message, and communication protocol manual. For the first error, I am using the demo kit and consists of arriving to the speed threshold. The PVED-CLS will stop steering and go into safe state mode. In the service tool, we need to check that the communication is running. Now, in diagnostics, we have the main and safety error history. Normally, in both cases the error will be the same, but not always. You may need to check both of them. In the main error history, in error record 1, I have the error that I created. Vehicle speed triggered, EH steering shut off. Every time that I have a new error, it is going to be added until arrive to error record 16 and after start overwriting from error record 1. The blue arrow points to the most recent error. If I click on the error, I get the SPN and FMI numbers and a short description. We can copy the SPN and in the technical manual folder open the user manual. We use the search tool and paste it. Now we can find the matching FMI that we saw in the service tool and see the possible root cause. Vehicle speed is higher than the threshold specified by P3253. For the second error, we are going to change some parameters in any of the pages. Click download, but we are not going to click approval. Now, when we try to go to application mode, the demo kit is not going to work. And in error record 2, I have EEPROM steering wheel configuration. If we click on the error, we get a new SPN that we can search in the user manual as before, and we have 4 different root causes. In this case, incorrect approval CRC. For errors related to CAN bus message, we may need to check values. To do this, we need to download CAN from Danfoss.com. In the +1 page, we scroll down and in software tool we click the arrow and later in +1 guide CAN. Extract the file and run it as an administrator for the installation. The first time using CAN, we should run it as an administrator too. If you connect CAN to a real CAN system, read the warning message. OK, CAN Kingdom Basic, and OK. Now we have 4 different windows. If we want to use CAN and Service Tool at the same time, in CAN Controller click in Bus Parameters and mark No Init Access. In Select Formatters, we scroll down, click on Simple Identifier Interpreter and Use. We remove a standard text format. We click Start Run and the output window starts printing message. Right-click and fix position. Right-click another time and clear. We have all the messages. For searching the message in the communication protocol manual, we need the PNG number. For this example, we are going to be looking the FF40. So in the communication manual, search FF40, click next until you find the message. This message is the vehicle speed primary message, and we have the description how the message is built. For example, the third and fourth bytes are the vehicle speed. The less significant byte go first. So for reading the CAN, we will read first the fourth byte and later the third byte. We can read a description which informs that we need to divide the obtained speed over 256 for getting it in km/h. If we change the speed in the demo kit, only the fourth byte is going to be changing, because the resolution in this case is 1 km/h. For this example, we have 1E00. It's an hexadecimal number, so we can go to the programmer calculator that is included in Windows and in a hexadecimal type it. We get a decimal number 7680. So we divide over 256. We obtain a result of 30 km/h. That is the same that the demo kit marks. This is everything for this video. Thank you for watching.